Hey there, have you ever wanted to create that super smooth slow motion effect you see in movies? Well, in DaVinci Resolve 18, there's this cool feature called Optical Flow that can help you achieve just that. Think of it like this. Imagine each frame of your image is a picture frozen in time. When you slow things down, there's are actually missing pictures between the originals. So optical flow soups in like a superhero analyzes how things are moving in each frame. Then it creates brand new in between pictures to fill in the gaps. So this way your slow motion looks buttery smooth instead of all jittery and jumpy. And here's the catch, optical flow isn't turned on by default. You gotta activate it in the inspector window under the video settings of your clip. So that's what we're gonna do in this video. So let's jump right into this video now. So right click here, import media. Now I'm just gonna grab this video and drag it like this, drag and drop. And now let's say select this video. I'm gonna go here in inspector, and here I have read time and scaling. Here read time processing, you see optical flow. I'm just gonna select optical flow, and here you don't, if your computer ain't that powerful, you're gonna have to select here just enhanced faster instead of speed warp. I encourage you to use speed warp if you have a good computer, and I'm gonna use enhanced faster because my computer is not good. So now I'm gonna go here in playback. Make sure here you have timeline proxy resolution quarter if your computer is not good, and smart here as well, and also here on future memory cache on. Okay, now we have to wait for this to okay. You can also use half. Once this render, we're gonna have this smooth playback. Now just remember that's gonna take a long time, so if you have a high quality video, it's gonna take more time, of course. And now the trick here is this gonna work the best with footage that was filmed at the really high frame rate, so 60, you know. So if your video was shot a little slow, the results might not be as impressive. And one last tip here is sometimes optical flow can add some weird visual glitches, especially in scenes with a lot of movement or objects hiding behind each other. But overall, optical flow is a fantastic tool for creating those awesome slow motion effects, and it's really worth trying for your video.